Hinintay ko si Diana dito sa labas ng room nila. Halos hindi ko mapigilan na mapangiti dahil sa sobrang saya ko. Sino bang mag-aakala na ang isang tulad niya ay bibigyan ako ng chance? I was the most luckiest man in the world. Habang naghihintay ay narinig ko rin ang tone ng phone ko. Beep, bro, nasan ka? Bigla ka na lamang nawala after dismissal. Magpapasama sana ako eh, Siyo. Hehe, tinakbuhan ko kasi si Siyo. Naninigurado akong di niya ako makikitang lumabas. Ayaw ko din namang ipaalam sa kanya na I'm already courting Diana. Kasi paniguradong kukulitin niya lamang ako tulad ng dati. He loves teasing people. And I don't have a time dahil bala ko talagang sunduin si Diana. I should take this chance to win Diana's heart, I thought as I couldn't stop blushing. Hindi rin gaano nagtagal nang makita ko na si Diana papalabas ng room niya. Hello? Pangiting sabi ko as I wave my hands and she got surprised. Eros? Anong ginagawa mo dito? Tanong niya at napangiti ako. Ano pa nga ba? I'm here to pick you up. Sabay na tayong umuwi. Pagpapaliwanag ko sa kanya and she smiled. Pero ang nakakatawa, nang magumpisa ng magsigawan ang mga kaklase niya, they started teasing us. Yung iba kong makilig sobra-sobra pa. Samantalang wala pa kami sa puntong in a relationship. Pero doon din naman ito patungo, right? Habang naglalakad palabas ng school, I grabbed Diana's bag. And what a shocking moment. Ang bigat ng bag niya. Anong laman ng bag mo, Diana? It feels like there's a gold inside us. Ang bigat. Sabi ko at natawa siya. My books and other stuffs are in there. That's why ginusto mo yung buhatin eh. Sabi niya. Wow, she was damn cute when she smiled. Hays, kapag laging ganito ang pakiramdam ko, matutunaw na nga talaga ako. Bakit ba napakaganda niya? Hey Eros, ikaw ha? Kaya pala tinakasan mo ako dahil may kasama kang iba. Rinig kong sigaw mula sa likod namin ni Diana. We both turned around and saw Zio. Medyo malayo siya at nagawa pa talaga niyang sumigaw. Halika dito, sigaw niya at dahil alam kong hindi niya ako titigilan, kulitin I decided to run. Kaya naman I grab Diana's hand at nagulat naman siya. Hey, what are we doing? She asked. I smiled at kinindatan si Diana. Let's run. Bulong ko. At hindi na ako nagdalawang isip pa. Hinila ko siya, tumakbo kami ng napakabilis. Nang marinig ko si Sio na sumisigaw sa likuran ko habang hinahabol kami. Hey, Eros, stop! Sigaw niya. At hindi ko mapigilan ang tumawa habang patuloy kaming tumatakbo. Napakalayo na namin mula sa school, but my crazy best friend is still chasing us. Hinahabol pa din niya kami at patuloy na sumisigaw. Hindi ba siya napapagod? Sabi ko. He is crazy, isn't it? Sabi ko kay Diana and we both laughed. Halos naghihingalo na ako sa pagod nang bigla nang huminto sa harapan namin ng kotse. Buti na lang, hindi kami nasagasaan. Eros, why are you running? Sabi ng lalaki mula sa kotse. And when I look who it was, si Dad pala. Kaya naman napatingin ako sa kotse. Yeah, right, this is my father's car. Bulong ko. Eros, rinig kong boses ni Sio. At nang tingnan ko siya, medyo malapit na siya sa amin, kaya naman. Dad, unlock the door. Sabi ko at ginawa naman ni Dad iyon. At agad kong binuksan yung pinto sa backseat. Go in. I smile as I tell her to go inside the car. But I noticed na nahihiya si Diana kaya naman, I grab her again at agad nang umupo sa loob ng sasakyan. Dad, faster, start the car, sabi ko. Hey, what the heck are you ordering me around? My dad exclaimed. Dad, we've been followed by a crazy man. Faster! I yelled at ramdam ko ang pagpipigil ni Diana sa tawa niya. Whatever, Eros, my father whispered and started the car. Halos matawa ko habang pinagmamasdan ang itsura ni Zio sa side mirror. He looks tired and haggard. I'm sorry, bro, I whispered. Who was following you? Who was that crazy man, Eros? My dad asked and I cleared my throat. I paused. It was Zio, Dad. I answered honestly and my father paused and looked at me in the mirror. Zio, your best friend? He said. I smirked awkwardly as I nodded my head. Yes, Dad, it was him. I sheepishly smiled and he rolled his eyes. Why are you running away from him? He bent his brows. Dad, you know that already. As I said, my mouth and he laughed. My son, you didn't change at all. Grow up. He was just annoying sometimes. But you know he cares for you as his own brother. My dad said, and yes, I agree. Zio never left my side before when I went to surgery because of my heart failure. And until now, he is always there for me. He even decided to go at the same school as mine. That is why we are classmates. Okay, Dad. Aaminin ko na po. I just get annoyed. I'm sorry. I apologized and my dad smiled again. That's okay. Just don't leave him like that, okay? He grinned. Yes, Dad, I promised. I answered back in a very soft voice. Thank you, Eros. However, I've been waiting for you to introduce to me that girl besides you since you got inside this car. But I think you have no plan to do that. So I'm gonna ask you, is she your girlfriend? Tanong ni Dad at napatahimik naman ako sa gulat. Halos nanlaki din ang mga mata ko. But he has a point. Bakit ko naman kasi hindi siya pinakilala? I'm sorry sir, I'm his friend po. Nahihiyang sabi naman ni Diana. Is that so? Pero bakit kanina pa kayo magkahawak ng kamay simula nang sumakay kayo? My dad confronted sabay ngisi. At sa gulat namin ni Diana napatingin kami pareho sa kamay namin. And yes, magkahawak pa din kami ng kamay. Hindi ko na pala siya binitawan simula nang hilahin ko siya paloob. Kaya naman agad ko siyang binitawan at parehas kaming namula ng pisngi dahil sa hiya. Hais, binabawi ko na yung sinabi ko kanina, Eros. You actually grown up and you are now falling in love. Tawa ni Dad and I glared at him. Dad, shut up! Pinahiya mo ako kay Diana eh. I exclaimed and he is annoying. Tumatawa pa rin siya. Okay, so Diana is your name, Iha? Nice meeting you, he said to Diana at gumiti naman si Diana kay Dad nang marinig niya iyon. Yes sir, thank you. Nice meeting you also, sagot niya. Ewan ko pero ramdam ko ang pagkatuwa ko dahil nakita na ni Dad at nakilala si Diana. Hindi ko pa man nasasabi na she's the one I like. Alam kong ramdam na iyon ni Dad and he looks like he wants her for me. I'm so glad about it. Kaya naman hinahayaan ko na lang si Dad na tanungin si Diana na mga patungkol sa kanya. I know that he wants to know her well. And so, do I? And I'm so glad also dahil unti-unti na ding nagiging komportable si Diana kay Dad. What a grateful day to see the persons I love are getting along together.